You're not just setting a table. You're creating an experience, telling a story, sharing a culture. And food is at the heart of it. Food brings people together and connects them to tradition and inspiration. At Steelite, we believe that tableware should do more than serve your food. It should serve your vision. We design, craft, and curate the very best in tableware for chefs and concepts across the globe. Partnering to create an unmatched range of inspired tabletop experiences. Where shape, color, texture, light and weight combine to feed the senses, helping our customers set the stage for their menus and their brands. Elevating presentation to an art. Steelite, the art of presentation.